Today I will share with you top 5 best TIG welding machine review 2024. So, let's start. Number 1. Andeli ACDC TIG welding machine. The Andeli ACDC TIG welding machine, TIG 250, boasts versatile functionality for professional welding tasks. With high-frequency TIG/pulse capabilities, it excels in welding aluminum alloys with precision. Its smart features ensure seamless argon welding, delivering superior results. This multifunction welder combines ACDC capabilities, ideal for various materials and thicknesses. The TIG 250 offers a robust, reliable solution for welding enthusiasts and professionals seeking efficient and precise welding performance in aluminum and diverse metals. Number 2. Andeli TIG Welder TIG 250 Pro ACDC. The Andeli TIG 250 Pro ACDC aluminum welding machine redefines welding precision. Featuring Pulse Tig/stick/cold weld capabilities, this welder offers exceptional versatility for aluminum welding tasks. Its Smart LCD interface ensures user-friendly operation, while its professional-grade argon welding capabilities guarantee superior results. Equipped with ACDC functions, this welder accommodates various materials and thicknesses. The TIG 250 Pro stands as a top-tier choice for welding professionals seeking unmatched precision, adaptability, and efficiency in aluminum and diverse metal welding applications. Number 3. Vojan aluminum TIG welding machine. The Vojan HBT 250P ACDC aluminum TIG welding machine is a versatile powerhouse. Its IGBT inverter, coupled with 2T/4T modes, ensures precise control for MMA arc stick welding. Designed for aluminum welding tasks, this welder offers pulse functionality, enabling finer heat control and reduced distortion. Its adaptability across materials and thicknesses makes it a go-to tool for professionals. The HBT 250P stands out as a reliable, high-performance welder, providing seamless aluminum welding solutions with enhanced precision and efficiency. Number 4. HITBOX ACDC Aluminium TIG Welding Machine. The HITBOX HBT 250P ACDC Aluminum TIG Welding Machine is a versatile welder crafted for precision. Its IGBT inverter, alongside 2T/4T modes, ensures optimal control for MMA arc stick welding. With HF/TIG/MMA arc capabilities in pulse argon welding, it offers fine heat modulation, reducing material distortion. This welder caters to diverse materials and thicknesses, ideal for professionals seeking reliability. The HBT 250P stands as a high-performance solution, delivering seamless aluminum welding results with enhanced precision, efficiency, and user-friendly functionality. Number 5. 110/220V TIG MMA stick welding machine. This versatile TIG welder offers seamless welding capabilities with its 200 ACDC inverter, supporting both TIG and MMA stick welding. Compatible with 220V or 110/220V/15% power input, it ensures adaptability across different power sources. Crafted with IGBT technology, it delivers reliable performance for diverse metal welding tasks. This compact yet powerful equipment serves as an ideal choice for welding enthusiasts and professionals seeking precision and flexibility in their metal welding projects, offering efficient and consistent results across various power inputs. Thanks for watching.